Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the apps ready. Open both apps you plan to use and make sure the phone's OS is up to date. Next, tap Recent Apps to view active tasks. This puts you in control of window management. Once you see the first app card, press and hold its app icon or the card to reveal options and choose Split Screen. This launches the app into the top half so you can pick the second app for the bottom. Once the first app occupies the top pane, select the second app from Recent or Home to fill the lower pane. You'll immediately see both apps active. You can drag the center divider up or down to prioritize one app. Hold the handle briefly for finer adjustments. Make sure to use each app's multitask controls if available. Some apps offer a compact mode or picture-in-picture. This is how you balance visibility and interaction so both apps remain usable. To finish, drag the divider fully to the top or bottom to close one pane and return to single app view. If an app becomes unresponsive, exit Split Screen, then reopen Recent Apps and reinitiate Split Screen. This refreshes both app sessions. If the feature won't activate at all, make sure the apps support Split Screen, update them, or reboot the phone. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app from Recent and relaunch it before trying Split Screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.